Something extraordinary is about to happen in our universe. A rare cosmic event, so rare in fact that most humans will never witness it in their lifetime. But you're about to discover what it means and why it could change everything we think we know about space, and maybe even life itself. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars for answers. From eclipses that guided ancient civilizations to supernovae that birthed entire worlds, cosmic events have always carried a message. And this one, it's no different, except it's bigger than almost anything we've ever recorded. Scientists have confirmed that this event is set to unfold very soon. It could shift how we understand gravity, time, and even the very building blocks of the universe. Imagine witnessing a moment that could rewrite physics textbooks forever. But what exactly is happening? And more importantly, what does it mean for you? Is it dangerous? Is it a signal of change? Or is it a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to peek behind the curtain of the cosmos? In the next few minutes, we'll break down the science, the myths, and the stunning possibilities. You'll learn why astronomers are both excited and nervous, and why this cosmic event is being called the moment of revelation. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the rare event unfolding in the skies above us, but you might just look at the universe and your place in it in a completely new way.